Hi guys, and welcome to Jab Advantage Weekly Nugget number 3. And yes, we're in week 4. I did miss 1 week last week. I do apologize, but life happened. But stay tuned because this week you will get 2 tips, okay? So click the notification bell so you can be notified of when my next video comes out. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and like and share this video. Um, so this week I want to start out by saying thank you so much. Um, I got a lot of feedback from the last video where I was talking about the power of credit, and you guys are so nice. I got lots of compliments, but more than that, I'm just very grateful because I heard back from a few of you, and the information that I shared was helpful to you. You were able to apply some of the tips that were shared. So, I'm just very grateful for that because that's the whole purpose of this series, this empowerment series, is to share some knowledge and it be beneficial to someone. So, thank you. Um, all right. So, oh, and also, in that video, I did not cite where I got some of that information from that I was sharing. I'm going to be honest with you, a lot of stuff I learned from life experience because I went through some things in life and I had to, do those things to fix my own credit. But I am in the financial services industry. Every day I deal with insurance, estate planning, and credit repair. So I do have um, uh, sites where I got that information from, or sources that I got that information from. So I will put that below in the description box if you want to reference where I got that from. I wasn't just pulling stuff out of the top of my head. Um, yeah, so I will put that information below, okay? All right, now this week I'm going to be sharing tips for small business owners like myself, or people who want to get into business. This is what I do to prepare for tax time. And this is a sponsored video in partnership with QuickBooks Self-Employed. And if you've been watching since week 1, then you know that I have been using QuickBooks for several years, way before I was even um, blessed with the opportunity to be able to be a brand ambassador and partner with QuickBooks. But anyway, I just want to let you know that it is a sponsored video, but all of my comments and my opinions are true, honest and true opinions. So anyway, now that I got that out of the way, I'm just going to share what I do to prepare for tax time. Now, I know a lot of people may prepare their own taxes, or you may go to a tax professional. Um, Either way, the information, the QuickBooks system is going to be helpful or beneficial to you either way, if you do your own taxes or if you go and somebody else prepares them for you. But what I like to do is, um, get my mind together. So I gotta decompress from work, so I got a woosah. So I might, have a candle burning, journaling, or listen to some music, or go for a walk, or talk to one of my 2 favorite people in the world, my mom or my baby sister. 'Cause I don't really talk on the phone like that, but if I'm on the phone, it's with either one of them. Anyway, just do something to get my mind relaxed and a break in my day from work. And then I get ready to, you know, handle the task of getting prepared for tax time. So, what I would do, and just forgive me, I do have a list so I can stay on track. One of the things that I like that QuickBooks has is a little handy dandy checklist. So in that checklist, I can go over my transactions. You can have your bank accounts, your PayPal account linked to QuickBooks. Um, and they even have what's called receipt forwarding. For example, I purchased a printer last year for my home office, and I ordered that printer online. And so when I got my receipt emailed to me, I just forwarded it to my QuickBooks account. And it's a simple process, and I just love it because it makes accounting simplified. Because before I would have to go through emails where I have folders, and I would save, receipts for this in this folder, and go through the folders and then get that stuff together, print it out or whatever. And so my tax preparation process has been refined over the years because QuickBooks has implemented new things and simplified my accounting. So I really, really appreciate that. So right from um, QuickBooks, you can import expenses directly from those accounts. You can sort through your business and personal spending and just categorize which is which. Um, let's see, what else do I do? Um, to prepare for taxes, I go through my profile. On the checklist, it has, how are you going to file? If you're head of household or if you're single, if you're married, whatever your situation, you go through the profile steps. If you have a business vehicle or a vehicle that's shared, that's personal and business, I shared before how I use the app to categorize my trips. So these are trips that I need to categorize, but in preparation um, to get ready for tax tax time, I would, if there's any outstanding 2018 trips, make sure that those are categorized. And you can use that for, a lot of times I get out of work. I do have a t-shirt business. This is one of my examples of my merchandise. Jesus loves you. But I would get out of work and go meet clients, because if I have people that are local, I'm not going to charge them shipping and handling. I will meet them and take the product to them. So I get out of work, go pick up the merchandise and go deliver it to them. So that mileage, or if I'm meeting with one of my agents, doing a training, making sure they know, what they need to know. Um, a training session, or if I'm attending a company meeting, just different things that, you want to make sure you have your mileage calculated, your health care. There's a whole checklist of things to go through. So you can track all of that right from your smartphone, and then you can go into your reports. You can check your profit and loss sheet, your receipts, your tax summary, and your tax details. And just with the click of a button, you can download that, and it puts all the information into an Excel spreadsheet for you. So you can easily organize all of your expenses. And then also included in that, I would include my invoices if I had any outstanding invoices, or which invoices were paid, so I can include that business income. Um, so it's a very helpful tool. That's just a little bit of what I do to prepare. I was actually talking to a friend last week, and she actually has a shop, and was asking her about what she does for accounting. And she told me she keeps track of everything with pencil and paper. And I was like, girlfriend, it's 2019, girl. If you want to keep track of how many steps you walk in a day, there's an app for that. If you want to keep track of how much water you drink in a day, there's an app for that. And most definitely, if you want to keep track of your business expenses and earnings, there's an app for that. All right, so if you want more information on QuickBooks, there will be a link below in the description box. If you use my link, you do get a 50% discount. That's 50, half off. It's a very, very inexpensive tool, yet very, very valuable, very helpful tool. And I absolutely recommend it. So anyway, the information will be below. Um, and thank you so much for watching. And again, stay tuned for the next tip, okay? Bye.